Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw a Friday market coming off in the US, mainly driven by the concerns over the Fed increasing rates and other central banks like even UK and all are increasing rates, which may push the economy growth down, and there could be uh, some concerns on the growth segment. That's why the market came off. Uh, apart from that, Apart from that, there was towards the weekend there was some disruptions in the Russia, wherein some private army group had rebelled, and but towards the end of the week, even that got settled also. So let us see how the impact unfold. But right now, nothing so serious about it now. Uh, Even in commodity also, we are seeing some softness, and the Asian markets are also indicating some softer trend. So we had seen some corrections in last few days, and quite possible that this profit booking may continue for some time. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during the day. Friday, it was a consolidation period we have witnessed that the Nifty was stuck between the range of 100 points, that is 18,650 to 18,750 levels. Now, going ahead, if Nifty manages to surpass the level of 18,740, 750 level on the high side, then we are likely to witness some positive momentum towards 18,800 to 18,900 levels on the high side. Whereas on the downside, the immediate support is placed at 18,600. Any move below that level, we are likely to witness profit booking, which might drag a Nifty on a downside towards 18,500 to 18,420 levels. So the view is a bit cautious as long as Nifty doesn't break the all-time high, which comes to at around 18,887 levels. Now coming towards the bank Nifty, the view will remain cautious on the bank Nifty as well, because from the last three trading session, we are witnessing a very strong selling pressure at the higher level, which comes to nearby its 44,000 psychological level. And Nifty last week maintained a closing nearby the day's lows, which comes to at around 43,670 levels, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Now, for today intraday purpose, the support is placed at 43,340. Below that levels, 43,000 can be tested on the downside, and then the next level comes to at around 42,770. So these are the important support the Nifty should support it. If not, then we are likely to witness more intensified selling pressure into the indices. Now, on the higher side, 43,840 will be the first crucial resistance level. Above that level, 44,150, 44,300 levels can be seen only if it's break 43,840 levels. So the view will remain cautious on both the indices, book the profits if we are getting any high on an intraday basis, or you can hold your long positions with keeping a stop losses on the high side. Now coming towards the Fin Nifty, 19,610, 19,680 are the crucial resistance levels, whereas on the downside, 19,490, 19,430 are the crucial support levels. So that's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, one thing that even on Friday I had mentioned, 18,800 call now has the highest call base. So that had happened on Friday, and that is why we saw the selling on Friday. But very importantly, we have seen liquidation now at 18,800, 700, 600, 500 strike puts, and there's not a very big put base around those areas. So it does suggest that there can be some more selling coming in, and we might retest that 18,500 levels. However, we on Friday, at the start of the day on Friday, there was considerable amount of open interest built up at the 18,500 put strike. Now there's not much built up, so we might just break this level and go down as well. So remains to be seen how the data stands in the next couple of days. But yeah, it looks like some more selling is likely. Um Now, this is also the rollover week, and the open interest hasn't really gone up much. So that is not one area of concern. But especially the strikes, this is one area of concern where one should look out continuously. From the stock specific front, Oro Pharma and the pharma stocks, Dr. Reddy and the others did quite considerably well in the last week, and you have seen good amount of open interest built up in most of the stocks. So, pharma as a whole should continue to perform. The trend is now up. Most of them have witnessed breakouts. There is a good chance that DV's lab is likely to outperform the others now going forward. This is one stock which should be on radar. It is one stock which can do quite well going forward. So yeah, look out for the same. Yeah, and so that's it from my side. I like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Uh, on IndusInd Bank, there is news that Hinduja Group is in talks to invest 10,000 crores to hike its stake from 17% currently to 26%. A deal is likely to be completed by second half of FY24 as per media reports. This will be seen positively. HDFC Life, there is news that Central Board of Indirect Taxes has slapped a show cause notice on the company for an amount of 942 crores. This notice pertains to charges of wrongly availing input tax credit without the underlying supply of services. This is marginally negative for HDFC Life. Also, ICICI Bank will be holding a board meeting on Thursday, 29th June, to consider proposal for delisting of shares of its broking entity ICICI Securities, which is also listed. This overall, this is neutral for ICICI Securities. Thank you.
Good morning. TCS said that the media report on the purported recruitment scam is incorrect. It has also launched a review to examine the allegations. Since there is no financial impact, it is neutral to the company. Thank you.
Good morning. A new IPO by the name of Idea Forge Technology Limited is opening today, that is 26th of June, and will be closing on 29 June, that is Thursday. And we have given subscribe rating for the same. Price is rupees 672 per share, and the total issue size is rupees 567 crores, constituting 327 crores of OFS and 240 crores of fresh issue. Market cap will be 2,800 crores on listing. IdeaForge is Mumbai-based firm which designs and manufactures drones for mapping, security, and surveillance applications. It is the market leader in the Indian unmanned aircraft system market with a market share of approximately 50%. The company also offers software solutions, including a drone data management system that can help clients manage their data more effectively. It focuses on it focuses more on dual use category. Here, dual means civil and defense of drone manufacturing and has been ranked 7th globally in the same category. It has intense focus on R&D and strong vertically integrated manufacturing operations from designing to delivery, and hence it is able to command EBITDA margin of 36.7% compared to average 22% for peers. Now, talking about the revenue mix, 69% of company's revenue comes from defense segment, 21% comes from civil, and remaining 9% comes from PLI. The main tailwind for the company in terms of growth is that Indian drone market is projected to grow from $43 million to $812 million by FY27, exhibiting a growth CAGR of 80% from FY22 to FY27. Over FY21 to FY23, company's revenue growth has been exponentially high as compared to peers at 131% CAGR, while its ROCE is in line to that of peers at 16% due to regulatory tailwinds in the drone manufacturing market, which is visible with the DGFT issuing an order to ban the import of drone except for the purpose of R&D, defense and security, launching of production link incentive scheme and anti-China segments. On valuation side, peers are trading at average PE of over 55 times of FY23 earnings, while IdeaForge is available at 52.6 times. Thus, we are giving it a subscribe rating. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. We expect today gold and silver prices to pull back, and for trading purpose, one can buy gold at 58 to 50 and maintain a stop loss of 58,000. On upside, 58 600 to 700, we are looking to take profits. For trading purpose, one can also sell around 58 800 and maintain a stop loss of 58 59 100. And silver also, we expect prices to test 69,000 to 69 500. So buying in silver is recommended and maintaining a stop loss of 67 700. Crude oil, we had witnessed recovery from the lows on yesterday, so on Friday. So a pullback till 5750, 5800 is expected. So buying around 5630 is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 5550. Natural gas, the momentum, the trend is positive, and we expect prices to test 240 to 45 levels. So buying on dips in natural gas is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of 205. Uh, in copper, we expect some pullback. The support area is around 717. So a pullback till 725, 26 is expected. Though again, some selling pressure could be witnessed from 726, 28 levels. So one can maintain a stop loss of 732 for trading. And in zinc also, we expect prices to test 217 to 218. So buying with a stop loss of 212 is recommended. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session, we are expecting a very small range bound movement in USD INR from 81.90 in the lower range and the upper range is 82.10 levels. So if prices comes around 81.96 to 81.95 levels, so one can initiate a long position with a strict stop loss of 81.85 for the target of 82.10 and 82.12 levels. In in GBP INR, if prices are sustaining above 104.6050 levels, then one can initiate a long position with a strict stop loss of 104.15 for the target of 104.70 and 104.93 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long position in the range of 89.27 to 89.22 levels. We can profit booking in these levels with a strict stop loss of 89.02 for the target of 89.70 and 89.85 levels. In GBP and in GBP INR, one can look for the levels of 57.40 levels. If prices sustaining above these levels, so one can initiate long positions for the intraday purpose only for the stop loss of 57.12 levels for the target of 57.71 and 57.90 levels.
Thank you.